Are you a self-employed bookkeeper? Then stay tuned. The Bookkeeping Practice Blueprint Summit is guaranteed to help you scale your bookkeeping practice with confidence to six-figure freedom, and that means the income and lifestyle that you want and deserve. This is a 3-day online event running August 27, 28, 29. You can grab your free ticket or your VIP pass at thebookkeepingpracticeblueprint.com. Now, this is video 2 in a 10 video series. Encourage you to watch video 1 and also just be on the lookout for the other videos where we are going to dive into the benefits of the summit for you. Now, today's focus. What is required to run a successful bookkeeping practice is vastly different to the technical skill required to be a bookkeeper. And the summit will give you 3 days of content from 15 plus speakers to show you exactly what's required to succeed in business and thrive in practice. What's required on the front end is your ability to get the right brand, marketing, and selling assets and strategies in place in order to create a pipeline of pre-sold prospects. What's required in the back end of your practice is practice administration, business administration, client delivery, HR, and so on, so that the business works for you and your clients. Now, you've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. So I recommend you jump on, grab your free ticket or the VIP pass. If you want to know more, you can watch more of the videos, or you can simply go to the bookkeepingpracticeblueprint.com. I do hope to see you there.